Hello everyone, welcome to the Origami Joy channel. Today, we are going to fold a ghost wearing a hat. You will need a square sheet of paper. One side colored, the other side white. Alright, let's get started. First, fold these two corners together. Then unfold. Fold these two corners together. Unfold. Rotate it. Fold this corner here. Rotate it. Fold this corner here. Rotate it. Fold this corner to the center. Rotate it. Unfold the bottom corner. Turn it over. Fold the top corner here. Unfold. Fold the top corner here. Fold down along the crease. Fold up along the dotted line. Unfold again. Fold up along the dotted line again. Pick it up. Turn it over. Fold inward along the dotted line. If you like our videos, please subscribe first. Fold the right side inward along the dotted line. Pick it up. Fold this part up a little bit. Open it up. Fold this part up a little bit. Turn it over to check. Put it down. Fold the bottom corner up along the crease. Fold the left side up to align with the center line. Fold the right side up to align with the center line. Fold the right corner down once. Unfold. Fold this corner inward a little bit. Unfold the left corner. First fold to align with the center crease. Fold up once more. Fold the bottom corner here. Next, draw the eyes and mouth. Find a black pen. Draw the eyes and mouth. First, draw the eyes. Draw the mouth. Draw little cheeks. Find a red pen. Color the cheeks a bit. Alright, it's done. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.